What's up, my dudes?
Hey guys! So, this is it, the final video of our guitar fetish, guitar kit, do-it-yourself build. I built this guitar, we built this thing, man. We got it,
We built this city.
copyright infringement. We got no license for that.
But
It's
Dad-
okay.
Dad,
Don't sue us, please. We didn't write that. It's not our baby. We're giving, what is that, Jefferson Starship, Aeroplane, Enterprise, whatever that is. We're giving them credit, not us. We didn't write that. Anyway.
we can't get copyright unless we use the actual song. If we just like sing one line from the song.
We're going to be safe.
Yeah.
Excellent. Hey, anyway, we totally finished this guitar, man. We have a working, functional guitar. I know we missed a few steps in the process because I had to wire this thing up, and wiring it and just putting it all together is kind of the last step, right? And so, like, you kind of have to do that in conjunction. So you have to wire it and then put it together. The only reason you didn't get a wiring video is because I was using my phone, which is the same device that I use to record these videos. That's my studio, is my cell phone. Imagine that. But anyway, I was using it to look at wiring diagrams, which can be found abundantly on the internet. Evidently, guitar building is a pretty popular hobby, and there's wiring diagrams for every configuration of guitar. It took me a little bit longer to figure out the wiring diagram on this particular instrument because the three-way selector switch was a little bit different than any of the wiring diagrams I've seen online, so I had to do a little bit of research and figure that out. So I had to order a soldering iron from Amazon.com. Easy. I've never soldered before a day in my life. Soldering's pretty easy. You just watch a few YouTube videos, figure it out, solder everything together, and
I'm not sure the guitar is exactly in the picture.
well, it will be if we do this.
Okay.
See? I mean, there's a guitar, right? So, anyway.
You got a do not tread on me sticker.
Yeah, that's a finishing touch thing. We'll kind of walk through everything, right? I got a sticker on the back there. But anyway, let's kind of walk through everything that you didn't get videos on. We upgraded this nut. This is a roller nut that I got from, guess where? No, they don't sell guitar parts at Hobby Lobby. Amazon.com. You can get whatever you need. So I got this, had it modified, had a I don't know, plastic nut on there like most guitars come with, maybe bone, I don't know the difference. But had to carve this out a little bit, put that on there, get these pretty awesome string trees from, guess where?
Hobby Lobby!
I don't think they sell string trees at Hobby Lobby, but I want to go with Amazon.com on that one too. Anyway, so got this strap from
Hobby Lobby!
nope,
Amazon? Okay.
GuitarCenter.com. Black Friday sale. Got this pretty snazzy strap for this thing. It's pretty cool. I find it sound pretty cool anyway.
I thought I could use it from Hobby Lobby.
Well, you know, that's where baits come from. Father-son moment there. But anyway, I don't know what else to tell you guys, but I think we can plug it in and probably play something for you, right? So, but anyway, wiring, so we wired it up, and everything's wired together, and you put it together, drill it in. This is Paulina wood from Guitar Fetish, and it's pretty soft, so drilling it was pretty soft, easy. Like, it's right here on this control panel cover. The screw is not in there real well, so probably end up having to take that off, fill that hole, and put it back in there because it kind of wallowed out already, and so there's a little play in there. I'm afraid that one of my screws on my bridge is kind of doing the same thing. They're gonna, actually wobbled pretty easy on this. So if you put a screw in here and you pull it out, that's pretty much the last time that's ever going to happen. So you got to be careful. Drill in here and you pull it out. You have to be careful about putting a toothpick or something in the hole to fill that hole before you put anything back on it. Anyway, sorry we didn't get you the videos of actually putting this all together. Like I said, I was using my phone to do that.
And you recorded, so too bad.
That's just the way it works. Anyway, we're going to play this thing for you just a little bit. I'm not the world's greatest guitar player. I'm no Eddie Van Halen. But, you know, I'll give it my best shot. I can play it. And the guitar sounds pretty good. I'm going to be using a Spark amp, like a Positive Grid Spark practice amp, which is a digital amp. I can't see that. Anyway, Positive Grid Spark practice amp, digital amp. It's got all kinds of like amp simulators on it. You can pick pretty much any kind of tone you want on there, which is pretty awesome. There's a lot of reviews online for those. So yeah, let's just play it, man. Let's play the guitar and
Play the guitar.
all right, man. So I don't know if you can see my face here in the video because we get it hopefully on the guitar more than me, but so yeah, it works.
Yankee Doodle. No, that's called.
So we have a working guitar here. Like I said, we built this thing, got us an awesome guitar now. May not be the world's greatest guitar, but it's
It's a guitar.
It's something I built. Something I'm super proud of. Any final comments, final words, final hopes and fears for our audience there?
Wires, guitar, and my father.